Right now, at this very moment, someone is outworking you. Not in some dramatic movie montage way, not with cameras rolling or crowds cheering. They're doing it in the silent hours. Those unglamorous moments when no one's watching, when there's no immediate reward, when every fiber of their being wants to quit. And here's what should terrify you: they're not more talented than you. They don't have better genetics. They weren't born into better circumstances. The only difference? They show up in the silence. You see, success isn't built in the spotlight. It's not forged in those moments when you're motivated, when the music's pumping, when you feel invincible. Success is built at 5 a.m. when your alarm goes off and it's dark and cold and your bed feels like the only safe place in the universe. It's built when you're on rep number 8 and you promised yourself 10 and nobody would know if you stopped. But you know, the silent hours? That's where champions are separated from dreamers. That's where excuses go to die. While others are hitting snooze, you're hitting the gym. While they're scrolling through social media, you're scrolling through pages of that book. While they're complaining about their situation, you're changing yours. Every single day, you're faced with a choice: comfort or growth, excuses or execution, mediocrity or mastery. And in those silent hours, when no one's there to pat you on the back, when there's no applause, no likes, no shares, that's when you discover who you really are. You think successful people are just lucky? You think they just happen to be at the right place at the right time? Let me tell you what luck looks like. Luck looks like reading 50 books while others binge watch TV shows. Luck looks like making 100 cold calls while others make excuses. Luck looks like failing 20 times in private so you can succeed once in public. The silent hours will break you or build you. They'll expose every weakness, every doubt, every fear you've been hiding behind. And when you're alone, with just your thoughts and your dreams, when there's nowhere to hide, that's when the real work begins. But here's the beautiful truth that most people never discover: the silent hours compound. Every early morning builds on the last. Every extra rep strengthens not just your body, but your will. Every page you read, every skill you practice, every uncomfortable conversation you have. They're all investments earning interest in the bank account of your future. So I'm asking you, no, I'm challenging you. What are you doing in your silent hours? When the world sleeps, are you building or are you browsing? When nobody's watching, are you practicing or are you pretending? When it's just you and your potential, are you running toward it or away from it? Because time doesn't care about your excuses. Life doesn't wait for you to feel ready. Your competition isn't slowing down. Your dreams aren't getting closer on their own. And those silent hours, they're ticking away right now. As you listen to this, the crowd will never see your 4 a.m. workouts. They'll never know about the nights you stayed up studying while they partied. They'll never witness the 1,000 shots you took in an empty gym. But they'll see the results. They'll call it natural talent. They'll call it luck. They'll call it everything except what it really is: the compound effect of your silent hours. So tonight, when you go to bed, set that alarm. Not for them, not for the gram, not for the approval. Set it for the person you're becoming. Set it for the dreams that keep you awake. Set it for the life you deserve but haven't earned yet. Because in the silence, when it's just you versus you, when comfort calls and discipline answers, when everybody's sleeping but you're sweating, that's not suffering. That's separation. The silent hours are calling. Will you answer?